everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy here, Kenzie Craig Michaels, bringing you the best in the beauty industry. Everything that's absolutely gorgeous, stunning, and delicious. That's right, everything that's gorgeous, stunning, and delicious. So if you haven't done so already, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Give it a thumbs up, a like, leave a comment section in the comment section, guys. And if you're a new subscriber, leave a little purple heart so that I know that you're a new subscriber, and I will actually get back to you as soon as possible, and we can connect on a personal basis so that we can grow our YouTube channels together and we can achieve our goals of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So I have this 24 karat charcoal gold mask on, if you can see it. I know if I sound a little weird, it's because it's sucking moisture into my skin. And underneath this gold foil, there is actually charcoal. So with the charcoal, it helps to deep cleanse and unclog the pores. And there's actually moisturizers in there as well to calm and soothe the skin. So this is what it looks like. It's called a mask bar, and it's a black gold 24 karat and charcoal mask. And you can see the little Freddy Krueger kind of mask there, and that's what I look like right now. It's actually a gold foil that you actually apply to your face. When you actually apply it, you have to take it out of this lovely little package, and there's a lot of product in it that's dripping, so be careful when you're actually applying it. So, and make sure you're also careful when you're actually unraveling the mask, because it is very, very tender, and you want to make sure you actually get the mask on your face. And you have the two eye holes, the nose area covered, and also the lip area covered as well, and then just down here as well on the chin area. So I know I look absolutely ridiculous. However, I wanted to do just a quick review on a drugstore haul that I did the other day. That's right, a drugstore haul on facial sheet masks. That's right, facial sheet masks. And it wasn't expensive at all, but I always wanted to try facial sheet masks. I had tried them in the past before. That was, many years ago when they were first launched on the market and nobody was doing facial masks. They were doing facial masks either with like a moisturizer facial mask, like in a tube, a clay format, but not these kind of Freddy Krueger Halloween looking masks. So, this you're supposed to lay back for about 10 to 20 minutes and actually have all the ingredients soak into your skin and then peel it off. And I can actually right now feel it tightening because I've had it on for about 10 minutes before I came on camera. So I'm going to show you how to remove it as well. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be doing another episode on the sheet masks as well. And then this time we're actually going to be using on my next episode from the mask bar, the luminizing charcoal peel off mask. So it helps you detoxify, purify, and deep cleanse as well. So that's what I'm going to be looking like, guys, on my next episode, channel episode. So this is just series 1 of 3. That's right, series 1 of 3 of the foil sheet mask reviews. And I just wanted to make sure that, when you're purchasing sheet masks, you really, really have to spend the expensive price that you'd actually be spending on something like this, which is actually the Lancome Advanced Genifique Serum Mask. Now I got this actually for free. I believe it was with a gift with purchase when I had purchased Lancome skincare probably 6 months ago. And it's just been laying around my house here, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to do a video episode on sheet masks. And this one is very Freddy Krueger looking as well. However, when you apply this one, actually I've never applied it before, so I really can't make a recommendation, but you will see it on my face, and I will let you know what all the features and benefits of the Lancome Advanced Genifique serum is. So I wanted to know for the price point of this versus, for example, the price point of the black charcoal gold, 24 karat gold charcoal mask, if there was any difference. So we're talking a huge difference in price point. This was, I believe, $1.99 or $2.99 at your local drugstore, so you could probably get your sheet mask at CVS in the US or Walgreens and Shoppers Drug Mart in Canada. And the Lancome one, I'm going to have to look up the price for you on that one, but it's actually a much higher price tag just for one sheet mask. They do state that it actually provides much more hydration. So I I'm not really sure if it does or not, so I'm going to try it and see. And like I said, this one here from the Drugstore Haul was only about $2.99, which was a charcoal mask from the mask bar, $2.99. So that's what you guys are going to be seeing me in this 3-part series. You're going to see the gold foil one that I have on now. You're going to see the black charcoal mask that I have on, and you're also going to see the long comb one, and I'm going to review all the features and benefits of each mask. So right now it's been on probably for approximately at least 10-12 minutes, and I'm also going to review nose strips. So we've all heard about BRA nose strips and how it helps to remove blackheads and whiteheads, sorry, not whiteheads, but blackheads. And you just put them on and then you leave them set there for a few minutes, and then you actually peel them off, and you're supposed to actually see the blackheads actually coming off onto the BRA strip. Now, I'm not necessarily a fan of BRA strips just because I feel like it's actually stripping, and there's other skincare that you can actually use to remove blackheads. There's also tools that you can use to remove blackheads and whiteheads as well. So I'm just going to see if this product, which is the Mask Bar Luminizing Charcoal Nose Strips, it comes in a pack of 6, and I believe this was $1.99 at the drugstore when I had purchased it the other day. So, you know, 3 masks for under, you know, 3 masks for under 10 bucks. And I wanted to really see the difference. Okay, I'm really seeing a tightening effect right now. I'm feeling a tightening effect in my skin. I can still feel the moisture locking in with this gold foil mask on. And it is actually really, guys, tightening on my skin. So it's almost done, and I'm going to remove it so you guys can actually see that what you need to do is after you remove it, you need to take the residual traces of it and massage it into the skin. Once it's massaged into the skin, you're going to rinse it with lukewarm to warm water, and then you're actually going to apply your regular skincare over top. But what I would suggest doing is actually just applying this as a relaxing spa day, going about your business throughout the day, and then applying your nighttime ritual routine through the evening. So we're going to remove it. It's been at least 15 minutes. So it suggests peeling from the top downward. And as I'm peeling it down, you guys can see the black, which is the charcoal that was actually in the mask format, underneath the gold. And we're applying and removing it, so delicately careful, because I don't want, you're not supposed to get it into your eye area. And voila. So when you unpack the mask, guys, this is what it looks like. I know, it would really make a great, you know, Halloween costume with something else. You don't have to do anything expensive. Just go buy a sheet mask for $2.99 at your local drugstore. Throw on some funky clothes, and you know, there you go. You have your Halloween outfit. But guys, that's what it looks like. So when you actually are unpacking it from the package, so the package here, when you're actually unpackaging, there is a lot of like hydration and moisture in there because it's completely soaked. This is not completely soaked right now. I can actually feel it tightening on my skin. I can feel the charcoal working. I can actually feel the soothing ingredients working, and I can feel the calming effect on my skin. It actually seems quite amazing, actually. And I mean, this is still damp, so it does suggest to massage it into the skin, which I'm doing like so. And it does have a nice smell to it, which I'm shocked at for the price point. You know, I was thinking it was going to be super, super stinky, but it's not. So, yes, that was my sheet mask. So, if you guys have any questions in regards to sheet masks or facial masks, or if you should actually even purchase sheet masks, if they're actually worth the money, are they actually worth the money? Because you're only getting one treatment out of them, right? So it's more of a spa, relaxing treatment that you're getting, as opposed to being able to purchase like a tub or a tube-based product where you can actually use it, say, 3 times a week. This might be getting a little bit more expensive for you, unless you know you're having a spa day with the girls. So I will let you know how my skin feels after this at about 20 minutes. And when I do my video, on my next video, I'll let you guys know how I made out with the 24 karat charcoal gold mask. And when you see me next, guys, probably in a day or two, I'll be wearing a black mask like this. So don't be surprised when you turn on the channel and I'm there in a black freaky deaky mask. So if you guys have any questions for me, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. Also to the April free giveaway for the free full-size 2 mascaras for open to residents of Canada and the United States is now on. All you need to do is leave a comment in the comment section of what your favorite mascara brand is and why. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching this video to the end. Cheers and kisses from Kenzie Craig Michaels, and all the best. Love you.